Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a part 2 of PTO Driveshaft series in Creo. So in this video we are going to make outer shaft. In previous one we make inner shaft. In this video we are going to make outer shaft. I have a drawing for that part. So this is a drawing. So if you want that drawing, you can just check out our Instagram handle. You can find the drawing there and download it for free. So now let's get started with the video. Now we have to make the outer shaft. So for that we have this time we have the inner dimensions. Last time with the outer dimension we project the inner profile. Now this time we have to make the inner profile and then project the outer profile. Radius of the circle is 18.10. It's same as the previous one, so it is going to be 36.20. So first let's make that one. Select the front profile, go to sketch, click on sketch view, click on circle, make circle from the center point, exit from the command, give it 36.2. Click on OK, give it extrude, change direction. Extrude is same as 11. No, this is 110. Last time that is 141, I think. This is 110. 110. That's it. Click on OK. So that's fine. And click on this surface. Click on sketch. Click on sketch view. Now same as before. Make one circle like there. Make two lines from the center point there and there. Give it 60-degree. Select the dimension. This dimension is going to be 30. So that's fine. This is 20 only. Yes, that is 20 only. Okay, this time we have the 3.90 from the midpoint of this circle. So that is going to be 3.90. All right. So that is how that is gonna work. So we are going to project one. First of all, cancel it. First of all, convert these lines in construction. Now select the project this circle, close. Now make two circles. One circle is there and one is there, equal to that circle. Now this the radius of this circle is going to be 1.5, so that means diameter is 3. Escape from the command. Diameter is going to be 3. Take them down. Now click on tangent constraint. Select this circle, then select this circle and this circle. Same for this. Select this circle, then select this circle and this circle. Correct. We didn't give this. This is 20. That is also correct. Now from this to this. Okay, take the dimension from this point to this line. This is going to be half of 3.90. So half of 3.90 is going to be 1.5, 609, 1.95. Minimize the drawing, give it 1.95. All the dimensions are done. So this sketch is constrained now, but this is not closed sketch, so click on the delete segment and just delete the lines we don't want. Okay. All right, we want these dimension, these are also, oh, this one we want, just control Z. All right, segment, this one we don't want, this one we don't want, this one we don't want, this one also, and this. Yeah, so this is sketch we want. So now click on OK. To extrude, remove material, and this is going to be 110. Press OK. How much we want? 6 only. Yeah? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So do the pattern, axis, this axis 6, click on 360. Press OK. Now select this profile, sketch view, offset, select loop, this one, this is going to be outside, we want outside only, but how much? We want 2.70. We have the dimension this time. This is going to be 2.70. Enter. Correct. Okay. Now select project and select loop, project this to close. Now we have this one. Now click on OK. We would extrude. Or we can do one thing is just give another direction. How much is it? 110. That is fine. Okay. Click on this direction, sketch. We don't have to give sketch view, project. Select loop. This close. Okay. Select remove material. Extrude, remove material. How much? It's going to be 110. That's it. Press. So that's how. So that's how the second part of the PTO Driveshaft series is done, which is outer shaft. So that's it, guys. That's it for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next part. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.